YouTube sensation size.
Right, well, while I was in France, I had my GoPro stolen. First day I was there. That was a GoPro 10. So I elected to get the 12 and not the 13. If you go up to the GoPro 13, it's all different. You need all different accessories and batteries. I wasn't prepared to do that. A little tip is don't use the blue batteries, use the white ones, the long life ones. They are so much better, so much better. I wouldn't use the blue ones again. Well, I've come out and I've tested all 5 settings on the lens, but then I've put the max lens on. I'm gonna have a look and see exactly what you can get and which is the best one to use. I'm going for a trip to Kempsey in a couple of days and I want to use the best one possible. I've found out that I really need 4K. You can't do 1080p, it's no good. Oh, also you want to watch out for the next installment of the Suzuki saga when I am stuck in France and they do steal my GoPro and it just goes from bad to worse. You've got to watch that. That's coming up soon too. This will be where we'll start from. Old mate's there, delivering fuel all over the place. He's been going since 3 a.m. this morning. I know he's going to turn that on when I start. And there it goes. A finger wasn't even on the button. There he goes. Right, so I'm on 4K. I could do 1080p. That's useless for taking videos, but 5.3 is a bit too much. So 4K is what we've got there. We've got the digital lens, linear and horizon lock, wide field of view without fisheye effect that keeps the horizon level even if your GoPro rotates during recording. Digital lens, wide field of view without fisheye effect, great for landscape and scenic shots. Wide versatile field of view that's great for everyday shots and selfies. Super view, tall view of the field that's great for point of view shots. Hyper view, our tallest field of view. I don't know why they're calling it tall. Great for capturing immersive point of view footage. We're going to try all of those, but I've also got here the macro lens, which I'm going to put on as well and see what that looks like. And of course, always use the white batteries. Forget the blue ones. They're not worth it at all. All right, on to the next one. Linear. There's the lens that I'll put in. It's off. Then this one, I don't even have to take it out of that part. I just stick that in and turn it on. And there we have it, it's on. Go down, max lens on. That's it. Max lens, be sure to use the correct max lens mod setting. The original max lens mod is labelled in white. I think I have the first one. Just the max lens, because I got it straight away. Well, I've got the max lens on now, and this is what it looks like if you don't turn on max lens in the menu. You get that. This is max lens wide angle. This is max lens super view mode. And that is that. Well, that's it. I've tested them all, and we'll go back. I haven't looked at the data yet, so I'll go back and we'll have a look and see what they all look like and compare them. Find a recommendation. By goodbye from the Red Fox conglomerate in association with Squirrel Limited Holdings.